here I am with the POCO C65 and that's the 8 gigs RAM and 6 gigs of the internal storage, the blue color. And let me show you a quick unboxing of this device. So that's basically how this box looks. There's nothing interesting on the box, so let's take off this foil. There we go, and now we can go inside. Okay, here I am, and that's the phone with this foil. So let's quickly check for the box accessories. Okay, so it comes with the USB-C cable, and that's actually the USB-A into the USB-C cable. So that's not double-side USB-C. That's the charger. That's how it looks. And right here, that's all. There's nothing more in the box. So now we can also take a look if there's some kind of a protective case, or maybe that's only the paperwork. Yeah, there we go. That's only the warranty and the paperwork. And right here we can find the SIM tool. So now we can go into our phone. Okay, so let's get rid of this foil. And there we go. It looks really nice. The matte finish right here. The 3 lenses, 50 megapixel camera, and we have to also take this one. There we go. And now I'm gonna turn it on and let's check if it works. Okay, so it's turning on. There is the POCO logo on the screen, and the device is actually turned on. So now let's see about the other specifications. So at the bottom we can find the single speaker, the USB-C port, the microphone. On the right side you can find the 2 buttons, the volume buttons and the power button. And on the left side there's the SIM tray, and here is also the jack headphone. And yeah, that's basically it. If you are looking for any videos with the POCO C65 and like some of the best features, tricks and something like this, just take a look for my channel. And right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.